I'm here today to show you how to link an assignment in MySE Feedback to a Blackboard Ultra course, as it looks quite different from the Blackboard Learn tutorial. After you've created an assignment in MySE Feedback, go into Blackboard Ultra, navigate to the place that you want to put your assignment. I'm going to put it here in this folder. And now to add content in Blackboard Ultra, you can hover over any of these pluses over these lines until you see this plus. And that's where your assignment will be located. Just click on it to place it. You're going to go to Content Market. From here, you're going to scroll down to MySE Feedback. And then once you're here, be careful, because if you're used to publisher content, you can think, well, I'll just click on this tile and then my assignment will be pulled in automatically. It's not the way it works here. So what you need to do first is create a placeholder assignment. You do that by clicking this little plus in the tile. And now you can see that there's a MySE Feedback assignment in the course. From here, what you want to do is click on the 3 lines to edit it. And you can change the name of it. I won't do that right now. You can create a gradebook entry for the item. You can set a due date. You can set your maximum number of points and all that. When you've got it the way you want it, just save it. And now this is where you actually link it. So if you click on this assignment, it will launch out into Blackboard, to MySE Feedback. And from here, it looks pretty much the same as the tutorial for Learn. You just select the assignment and link it. I hope this has been helpful.